15 signs your crush is waiting for you to make a move. When you have a crush on someone, it can sometimes be challenging to discern whether they are interested in you or waiting for you to take the initiative. Here are 15 signs that your crush might be eagerly anticipating you to make a move. Frequent eye contact. They often make prolonged eye contact with you, as if trying to convey something without words. Smiles and laughter. They smile and laugh more when you're around, even at your not-so-funny jokes. Touches and physical contact. They find reasons to touch your arm, shoulder, or back, or they initiate physical contact in a subtle and playful manner. Engages in conversation. Your crush makes an effort to start or maintain conversations with you, showing genuine interest in what you have to say. Ask about your life. They inquire about your interests, hobbies, and personal life, signaling a desire to get to know you better. Compliments and praises. Your crush often compliments your appearance, intelligence, or other qualities that they appreciate. Remembering details. They remember small details you've shared in previous conversations and bring them up in later discussions. Tries to make you jealous. Sometimes, they subtly mention other people who are interested in them, possibly to gauge your reaction. Alters plans to spend time with you. Your crush rearranges their schedule to accommodate more time with you, even if it's just for a short while. Subtle teasing. They may engage in light teasing or joking that hints at romantic interest. Shares personal information. Your crush opens up and shares personal stories or experiences, indicating trust and a desire to connect on a deeper level. Invites you to group activities. They often invite you to join them in social gatherings, suggesting that they enjoy your company. Supports your interests. Your crush shows enthusiasm for your passions and may even offer to participate or help you pursue them. Offers help. They willingly lend a hand or support when you need it, showcasing their willingness to be there for you. Extended goodbyes. When parting ways, your crush lingers or extends the goodbye, possibly hoping for a more personal interaction or follow-up. While these signs can indicate that your crush is interested, it's essential to approach the situation with care and respect. Not everyone expresses their feelings in the same way, and misinterpretations can occur. The best way to find out if your crush is waiting for you to make a move is through open and honest communication. Express your feelings, and if they reciprocate, you can explore the potential for a deeper connection. If they don't feel the same way, remember that it's important to respect their feelings and boundaries while preserving the friendship, if possible.